Hi, I'm Chris Coladonato, speaker, well-being coach, and founder of Connection Catalyst. I help busy professionals prioritize their well-being by unplugging from technology and immersing themselves in nature. That's right, nature. Now, you might be wondering why. It's simple. It's so they can find calm, gain clarity, and deepen connections with themselves and the world around them. While I lead guided nature walks for individuals and groups, I also speak at organizations and events about the transformative power of nature. It truly has so much to offer us. All we need to do is take the time to slow down and listen. My connection with nature helped me to come back from burnout years ago, and it still continues to calm and inspire me. And that's why I'm so passionate about sharing it with others through my speaking engagements. My goal is to inspire others to connect with nature in a way that works for them so they can slow down to show up more fully for themselves and for others. Think about it. We are often running from task to task, meeting to meeting, that we often forget to breathe. We're pulled in a million different directions almost every day that it's easy to forget to pause and just look around throughout the day. But when you're intentional about connecting with nature, I believe it's magic. It can help you gain clarity because you aren't being bombarded with everyday life. You have the space to breathe and calm down. And you end up feeling more connected with yourself and the world in which you live. Oh, and this magic has some science to back it up. And I love sharing both the magic and the science of nature connection in my talks. I'm often asked how I got my start as a speaker, and it was back in the early 2000s when I did workshops for customers and employees at the Container Store. I also did PR spots with local media, and it was through these early experiences in public speaking where I discovered my passion for inspiring and motivating others. Now, you'll find me speaking in keynotes and conference breakouts, workshops and webinars, virtual and in person, and I love it all. I have a few signature talks, including Nature, Your Remedy to Modern Life, but I also do custom talks and workshops for organizations. For me, speaking is an opportunity to inspire and to help people see that connecting with nature is easy and it's a great way to improve our well-being. If you're ready to bring the power of nature to your event, let's connect and explore the possibilities. Visit ConnectionCatalyst.com to schedule a call today.